Hello and welcome to Daily English Stories. I'm very happy you are here today. In this English learning video, I will tell you a touching and inspiring story called The Paris Painting Dream. This story is perfect for practicing English with the shadowing technique. Here is how you can use this story to improve your English. First, listen carefully to each sentence. Then, pause the audio and repeat after me. Try to copy my voice, speed, pronunciation, and emotion. This simple practice will help you speak English more clearly, naturally, and confidently. Are you ready? Let's begin. My name is Emily. I am 25 years old. I live in New York City. I work as a painting designer. Art is my life. Colors are my language. Through painting, I tell stories that words cannot always explain. This story changed my life forever. It is not a dream. It really happened to me. One ordinary morning, while scrolling on my laptop, I saw an advertisement. It was about an international painting competition. The winner would get a chance to travel to Paris. Paris, the city of art, the city of love, the city of dreams. My heart beat fast. I knew I had to try. For weeks, I worked day and night. I mixed colors. I changed designs. I doubted myself many times, but I did not stop. Some nights I slept only 2 hours. Some days I felt tired and scared. But deep inside, I believed in my dream. Then, one afternoon, an email arrived. My hands were shaking as I opened it. I was selected. Top 5 designers. I read the message again and again. I cried. I laughed. I screamed. I was going to Paris. I told my mother. She hugged me tightly. Her eyes were full of tears. "Go and shine," she said. I packed my suitcase, paintbrushes, colors, sketchbooks, and my biggest dream. The day of my flight arrived. At the airport, I felt nervous and excited at the same time. Suddenly, I dropped my bag. Everything fell to the floor. Paint tubes rolled everywhere. I felt embarrassed and panicked. Then someone knelt down and helped me. A young man picked up my bag and smiled. "Here you go," he said gently. I looked at him. He had kind eyes and a calm voice. "Thank you," I said. "Are you going to Paris?" he asked. "Yes," I replied, "for an international art competition." "That's amazing. Good luck," he said. Then he walked away. I watched him disappear into the crowd. Something about that moment felt special. On the plane, I sat by the window. The clouds looked like soft paintings in the sky. When we landed, I heard the words, "Welcome to Paris." My heart jumped. The next day, I decided to explore the city. I walked to the Eiffel Tower. It was tall, beautiful, magical. But suddenly, something went wrong. My phone fell and broke. My bag strap got stuck. I felt embarrassed and panicked. Then I heard a familiar voice. "Do you need help?" I turned around. It was him, the man from the airport. I couldn't believe it. "You again?" I said. He smiled. "Yes, it seems Paris likes surprises." He helped me fix my bag. He said, "I live here. I was visiting my sister in New York." We walked together. He told me stories about Paris, about art, about history. His voice was calm. I felt safe. That evening, we laughed and talked, but we didn't talk about feelings. Something was growing quietly between us. The competition day arrived. The hall was full of talented artists. My hands were shaking. My heart was racing. Suddenly, there was smoke. A small fire started. People panicked. Some artists left, but I stayed. I fixed my painting. I painted again. I did not give up. Later, the results came. I won 3rd place. Not first, not second, but I won. I felt proud. I messaged him. I won 3rd place. He replied quickly, "Congratulations. Shall we meet near the Eiffel Tower tomorrow?" I smiled all night. The next morning, I wore a simple white dress. The sky was clear. He was waiting for me. We sat together. He looked at me and spoke softly. He said, "I feel something. From the first moment, my heart knew." I listened. Then I smiled. "I feel it too," I said. He held my hand. His name was Lucas. He was a writer. He loved stories as much as I loved painting. We walked, talked, laughed. It felt natural. It felt real. That night, under the glowing Eiffel Tower, he kissed me gently. 1 year later, we are still together. He moved to New York. He writes, I paint, and every time I think about Paris, I smile. Because sometimes one small moment can change your whole life. Now it's your turn. Listen again. Repeat each sentence out loud. Practice every day. Thank you for learning with Daily English Stories. See you in the next story. Bye for now.